Roll lifters and transporters allow single users to maneuver heavy-duty rolls onto the lifter and directly onto the printer feeder. The extended nylon strap provides leverage to help guide the roll onto the trough and help ensure materials are secured for transport. The foot pump allows for smooth and effortless lifting. The heavy-duty swivel casters in both front and rear allow the user to maneuver through standard doors and narrow passages. The trough design of the media tray allows a roll to be stabilized during transit. To use, simply push material onto the tray. Once the roll is secure, use the nylon straps to fasten the roll onto the tray. The unit is now ready for transport. The maximum roll diameter is 15 3/4 and the capacity of the unit is 880 pounds. The service range is between 4 inches low to 33.5 inches high. A lower profile model is also available. Transport heavy-duty rolls with our line of roll lifters and transporter.